In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend your Qlik Sense sheet effectively in just 5 minutes. This tutorial is perfect for those who are looking to get more from their Qlik Sense experience, whether you're analyzing data for business insights or working on a personal project. First off, let's dive right into the Qlik Sense universe. You'll start by visiting the official Qlik website. Once you're there, you'll notice the option to log in. Click on the login button, which is your gateway to accessing the Qlik Sense dashboard. Don't worry if it's your first time. The process is pretty straightforward. Now, upon clicking login, you'll be redirected to a new page where you can select Qlik Cloud. This option is crucial because the Qlik Cloud environment is where all your data visualization magic happens, offering you the power to analyze data in the cloud. After selecting Qlik Cloud, the next screen will prompt you to enter your email address. It's essential to use the email associated with your Qlik Sense account for a smooth login process. Once you've entered your email, press Next to proceed. Following your email submission, you'll be asked to enter your password. Make sure it's the correct password linked to your Qlik account to avoid any access issues. Passwords are key to protecting your data, so always keep it secure and confidential. With your credentials inputted, hit the login button to delve into your Qlik dashboard. This dashboard is your command center where you can navigate and control various aspects of Qlik Sense. Upon successfully logging in, you're ready to head over to the Qlik Cloud home. This is where all your apps are housed. If you're working on multiple projects, you'll see a list of your apps here. Each app represents a different dataset or a project you're working on or analyzing. Next, select the app you want to work with. If you're following this tutorial to extend a sheet in a specific app, locate that application now. Clicking on your chosen app will bring up different options within that app. Once your app is open, look for the Overview button. This will give you a summary or an overview of what's within that app. It's like a dashboard for your app, showing you all the components and resources within it. Following the overview, your next step is to head straight to the sheets. Click on Sheet to access your working area. Sheets in Qlik Sense are where you arrange and analyze your data visually. It's the space where all your charts, tables, and insights come to life. Now comes the crucial part. To extend your sheet, look for an option labeled Extended Sheet. Clicking on this will transform your current sheet layout, giving you more space to work with and more freedom to arrange your visualizations the way you want. This feature is particularly helpful when dealing with complex datasets requiring detailed analysis or when you simply need more breathing room for your visualizations. And there you have it. You've successfully extended your Qlik Sense sheet. This extra room allows for more detailed analysis and the ability to include more charts and datasets on a single sheet. Remember, the goal of extending your sheet is to give you a broader canvas for your data analysis and visualization efforts. Make the most of this space by thoughtfully organizing your data for maximum impact. Throughout this process, always ensure that you're logged into the right account and working in the correct application to prevent any loss of work. Also, keep exploring the features and capabilities of Qlik Sense. The platform is rich with tools and functionalities designed to help you make the most of your data. This tutorial is just the beginning of what you can achieve with Qlik Sense. Continue experimenting with different features and functionalities to enrich your data visualization journey. Thank you for joining me today, and happy analyzing.